And hello, boys and girls. Welcome aboard. This is your old pal, Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell button right over there. And hit the like button too. And hit the bell button to get notified. And like always, I always like to bring out an old book. This is called Wildwood Wisdom. This is 19 inappropriate. Uh, where is it? Right here. Inappropriate Native American character, but real popular in the 40s. This was right after World War II. And back then, men were men and women were women, and sheep were damn nervous. And we're looking for making clothing. Back then, everybody made their own stuff. Back then, you can make your own vest. You can see that. But a lot of people back then bought store-bought vests. And this is a really old book. I tell people if you see a copy of this, pick it up. Loads of fun. Sorry. No libation. Also, this is a thing for Rob. This is another lock blade I always carry. I like lock blades. Something similar to the, I forget, it's another knife company, not like, can't think of it. I want to scratch my forehead, but I don't want to leave a bloody gash. So, anyway, can't remember. But they have a copy of this. It's similar to the Buck 110. SOS carries it. Step 1 Survival. I just can't remember the company's name. Getting old. And yes, Uncle Alan's in a sailor outfit. Uncle Alan did a lot of things in old days. Okay, this is for Rob Painless. Go check out his channel. I want everybody over this Memorial Day weekend to pray for Rob Painless at his channel. Please like and subscribe. And let's all pray for rain. Lots and lots of rain at Rob Painless's place. Okay? I've been trying my best. If you ever watched the old movie, Men Who Stare at Goats, Uncle sometimes have weird effects to things around them. And, don't worry. But anyway, I have fun. But if you have a chance, go check out that old movie with Ian McGregor from Star Wars. He's in that movie called Men Who Stare at Goats. And it has George Clooney in it. Very funny movie. About the same time Uncle Alan got involved with a lot of weird things in the early 80s, so he knows a lot of weird stuff. So anyway, folks, if you want to have fun, everybody pray hard and help support Rob Painless. Let's all pray for Rob Painless to get rain. And Dad on YouTube, I think, I've been overshooting his area. He got too much rain. So let's pray for him a nice dry weekend. And all that rain goes to Rob Painless. Let's all pray. Concentrate, folks. If I think 100,000 people to pray, tell your friends, pray to Rob Painless get lots of rain. And that'll make his area really green. And if he gets too much rain, it might flood him out. So let's pray for rain. And thank you very much. Like and subscribe to Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. That's my channel. And I'll catch you later, folks.